The crypto bull run of 2025 is shaping up to be one of the biggest yet, and the opportunities are endless. But how do you ensure you're not just watching from the sidelines, but actively profiting? Stick around, and I'll walk you through 10 powerful strategies to help you dominate the market, minimize risks, and maximize your gains. Strategy number 10 might just transform how you trade forever. Before diving into strategies, it's crucial to understand the market cycle. Crypto markets move in predictable phases: accumulation, uptrend, distribution, and downtrend. Knowing when we're transitioning into a bull run is key. Watch out for increasing trading volumes, consistent price upticks, and positive sentiment across the market. Preparation is everything. Start by setting up reliable tools. 1. Use portfolio trackers like CoinStats to monitor your assets. 2. Leverage trading platforms like Binance and Coinbase for smooth transactions. 3. Master TradingView for technical analysis. 4. Secure your funds with hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor. A solid foundation ensures you're ready to act when opportunities arise. During a bull run, not all coins perform equally. Focus on altcoins with real-world utility and adoption potential. Look for projects solving real problems, such as Cardano for scalability or Chainlink for smart contract integration. Diversifying into promising altcoins can multiply your returns. Institutional investments often signal the start of a bull run. Monitor news about companies and hedge funds buying Bitcoin or Ethereum. Platforms like Glassnode can help you track on-chain data, such as wallet accumulation trends, to stay ahead of the curve. Technical analysis is essential for identifying entry and exit points. Use RSI to spot overbought or oversold zones, and MACD to confirm momentum shifts. Fibonacci retracements are also great for identifying potential support and resistance levels. Dollar cost averaging is a simple yet powerful strategy. By investing a fixed amount at regular intervals, you reduce the impact of market volatility and take advantage of average prices over time. A bull run is exciting, but it's easy to lose gains if the market turns. Set take-profit levels to lock in profits and stop-loss orders to protect against sudden price dips. Stay disciplined. Greed can lead to losses. News and sentiment drive crypto markets. Follow platforms like CoinDesk and monitor social media for trending hashtags. Use tools like Lunar Crush to gauge market sentiment and adjust your strategies accordingly. Maximize your gains during a bull run by staking your cryptocurrencies or participating in yield farming. Staking lets you earn rewards by locking up your assets, while yield farming can offer high returns through DeFi protocols. But remember, always assess the platform's security before committing your funds. Even during a bull run, the market experiences corrections, short-term dips in price. These are great buying opportunities. Set limit orders slightly below support levels to catch these dips and maximize your returns. Fear of missing out can lead to impulsive decisions during a bull run. Avoid chasing coins that have already pumped significantly. Instead, focus on assets with room to grow and stick to your trading plan. Every bull run eventually comes to an end. Have an exit plan to secure your gains. Decide ahead of time when to sell portions of your portfolio and convert profits into stablecoins or fiat. This prevents emotional decisions and protects your hard-earned gains. Here are some bonus tips to sustain your success. 1. Patience pays. Don't rush into trades. Timing is key. 2. Stick to your plan. Create a strategy and follow it no matter what. 3. Learn and adapt. The crypto market evolves quickly. Keep educating yourself to stay ahead. Now you're equipped with 10 powerful strategies for the 2025 bull run. Which one do you think will be the most effective? Comment below and share your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto insights. Let's make 2025 your most profitable year yet.